Sorkar kala Phah laingut kinong Markhmat na Sorkar ban Kynduh iginong Shnong na kilai teli ki Shnong ha Khubor joka Southwest Khasi Hills District Hadien ka Jingja ka bala penkendet ya baro halor ka Jingwalat ki Briu na Bangladesh ban wan Thombor ha kate ka than ya kanika kunhon le alam de ki advisor ka Sorkar baderu UMLA ka Mendi Pathar marathon sangma nangta uba Himalaya Shangpliang kumju vice chairman ka Sorkar ba ki nongrem ladon lang hakini ki jinga lang de ki he pulet kumju kinong yalam Shnong jan baro ki pat ba nong Shnong ki balami renti na kalyang ki pat ba kila IT ru ya ki dor khas sya kanika kunhon bala Phah da ka Sorkar rengkat ka jingkerpat ki babun la kalong ban bu iki kitam pulet bat ki we
mani ka singi yo ya ka jingtip ba ka jing betha na u chief minister joni kontrak sama bolong ingi ba ni de bangin hiar shane chakni ki Shnong border Bangladesh ke ba don hapo ka Ranikor constituency kata hidai gini Shnong di ba nilai wan matasi kum ka delegation na kaliang ka Sorkar anda kalau poi ka jingtho na kaliang jong kipat ba nang ni Ranikor constituency ba pentip sha u chief minister ya ka jing shem jinja jong kini kinong song Shnong kini khamtam ya kini klai tili Shnong ka thain bordar ka konjoy tram dongdai bat ka mai skula kila pentip show chief minister ba kila don ki khar Bangladesh ki belawan rumto ka Shnong jongki bat kila persyang ban rabor ya ki nong song Shnong jong kane ka thain bordar ni bat anda kila persyang ya kata andre ulami do pajba ulayo ban kem ya kini ki khar Bangladesh kumba arngut laingut nang to kisa yo ban kem sa kumba ngelumut kumba long menta ndrei kane ke jingjia kelawan ra ke jing songsir ka Shnong ka thau hangne namar ba kumba ki suthu ki nong Shnong ki ong ba kaladon dangdon de sa katuk ni kita ki kidkhot jong kani ka group jong ni ka gang ka ba wan nang tay na Bangladesh. Te andala yo ya kata ka complain u chief minister kontrak sama bat I ba Preston Song belong deputy chief minister in charge home ila Phah ya kani ka official delegation ka ba yalam da u Sri Markhmat sama belong u advisor jong ka Sorkar rengkat bat yanga nalong ru advisor ka Sorkar bat kumju bat ya uba Khubor nongrem ubalong unong ilam na kani kathan bat uba bat re ka post vice chairman po ka Sorkar tingi laingut matasi nilai poi bat nilai ban ya Kynduh ya kipat ba nong Shnong nengkong konjoy bat nilai ya selok I kipat ba bat kaladon ka jing Kynduh nak leng kipat ba ban de ban bo ya ki anti decoy camp pat bandang hapli shu ya ki police outpost padang don dia sya ki jinge jong ki pai ba baki shem hakni kathan ki kam development ya ka ba ki la submit ya ka memorandum hangi bat ngin sa penpoi ya ni memorandum sha not honorable chief minister dungi Hadien kata ngi poi ka Shnong rang dong dai kade gane ka Shnong ka ba kini ki khar Bangla kila rung jubor bat kila persyang ban ra ban kidnap ya uwe unong Shnong ubadi hata tu Shnong andre da kajing ya pertasla ki lami ki pajba ba ki layo ban bat ya ki katuk ningut kitu ki nong persyang ban ra bor ki bawan na Bangladesh te kani ka Shnong ila ai men se miki nilai don rekat bat USP jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills bat hangtohi u SP jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills ula kular ba lasai kasngihi on wanra no ya ki anti decoy camp but on bo de ya ki pulit ban pahra ya ka Shnong bat kumjo de don jing Kynduh na kaliang USP ba ide bangin constitute ya ki BDP namar hakine ki Shnong pompadon BDP tengiru ni la persian jur ya kata jadi terwa pada ban bo ya ki BDP ban apa hara ya ki Shnong Hadien kata ngi poi sa mahai sekolah ba mahai sekolah ru kumcu ni osno ya ki Khubor ba don kalenti ya jom kini ki khar Bangladesh ki bayat na kato ka lenti mahai sekolah bat kila prung lengba ka fencing ka bala perang ba kila yo ban rung na kata ka fencing syak ini syapo ka rijungi de keladon kencing tu bang ide bangin pek bahaya kini ki fencing bagi don bon ki fencing border fencing kide bala pra bala rim gila jot bat don dek ba syara ka de kita ba ki kentu ba ide bangin maromot ya kini ki fencing nang ban yada ya ka jing prung tu jong kini ki khar Bangladesh.
Today we have visited all the affected areas, especially Kynduh, Moheskola and the bordering areas. And then we have learned many things regarding this incident last week. It has taken place near the border areas. So we have met all the people there. So we have seen and we have learned that there are so many problems being faced by the border area people. Regarding the fencing, so we are told that we have seen that there are some areas where the fencing are not in proper shape, already damaged because of the flood, because of the landslide and all. So there are many areas where the distance between the two outposts is a bit far from each other. So there should be attention from the government side, from the central government to give more posts in between the two posts. As of now, I don't think the people are satisfied because of the state. Police department also have visited along with us, and then they are going to strengthen the outpost here, like ADCAM and all, to monitor the situation in the better way. We will just whatever we have seen and we have learned that all the issues will be taken up for discussion with Home Minister and Chief Minister. So whatever the possible way, we are going to resolve the issues.